Usap-usapan ngayon ang naging komento ni Daddy Yulo sa nilabas na article ng ABS-CBN News na kung saan tungkol sa iba pang gustong sports na matutunan ni Carlos Yulo. Nagkomento dito si Daddy Yulo. Dapat umano matutong manghingi ng sorry ang kanyang anak na si Carlos sa inang si Angelica. Dahil ayon kay Daddy Yulo, mali daw sabihan ni Carlos nang magnanakaw ang kanyang ina para gumanda ang imahe nito. Dapat matuto siyang mag-sorry sa kanyang nanay na mali ang sabihan niya ang kanyang nanay na magnanakaw para gumanda ang kanyang imahe. Marami naman ang tila hindi na nagugustuhan ng inaasal ni Daddy Yulo dahil ayon sa ilang netizen, dati umano ay pumapagitna lang si Daddy Yulo sa tampuhan ng mag-inang Angelica at Carlos. Ngunit bakit ngayon ay tila nag-iba na umano si Daddy Yulo? Parang may kinakampihan na umano siya. It is so sad that despite Carlos Yulo winning 2 Olympic gold medals this year and bringing so much pride to our country, his family is craving for so much attention and continuously destroying his reputation, clout chasing. His family problem is not for the world to know and gossip on. But sadly, he has a toxic family who can't stop trying to bring him down. If they want reconciliation with their son, they should do so in private. They should stop posting personal family matters on Facebook, or worse, destroy their son's reputation through interviews. They only want reconciliation para mabigyan ng pera. Eto talaga yon. He was living alone in other country with only his coach as his normal support. They ignore him when he started taking control of his life and went as far as to disown him, wishing ill just to prove that they were right. He proved them wrong, so they're trying to use the whole country and our culture to guilt him into coming back because at the end of the day, family is all you have. Honor your mother. I don't think Carlos is even bothered sa image niya bilang anak kung masama ba siya or hindi. At ano ba tawag kay Angelica na kumuha ng pera na walang pasabi sa anak? Magnanakaw pa rin naman yun. You could only imagine kung hindi nila na-discover na may pera sa gymnastics. Will they push all 3 kids to do it? The parents can deny it all, but it seemed the 3 kids' prize winnings ang bumuhay at bumubuhay sa kanila. Ano bang trabaho ni Angelica at nung ama? Angelica even looked like hindi employed. The panganay, sabi ng Mudra, malaki din daw kumita at yun daw ang nagpo-provide sa mga travel emirate niya. So yung mga bata talaga ang bumuhay sa pamilya nila. Ang passive-aggressive din itong tatay Dinaan pa sa emoji, pareho rin pala sa nanay. May prop talaga sa pamilya nila. Kung yung nanay siguro, oo, mas maniwala pa ako kasi ganyan ang salita ng nanay Sa mga previous post, todo bash talaga sa anak niya. But his dad, nagtyaga magpunta doon sa welcome parade ni Kaloy, makita at makawayan lang yung anak niya. Pwede rin si Nanay Yulo na isipang sa account na lang ng asawa niya siya nagda-trash talk para magmukha silang united ni Tatay Yulo sa pambabash kay Kaloy. Then again, who knows? It's okay na tanggapin nyo na toxic din ang tatay. It's okay na pareho silang masama ang ugali ng nanay. There's enough toxicity in the family to go around. If the dad was any better than his wife, their other children would have more of a balanced perspective. The fact that they all have the same bitterness and resentments towards Kaloy means that household is full of negativity and the dad isn't doing anything to change it. Imagine your dad having several burner accounts just so he could trash talk you. Somehow, I feel so bad for Kaloy. Pero alam mo, low-key feeling ko yung nanay niya talaga yung ginagamit account ng tatay. Doon pa lang na-under siya ni Angelica at during parade, gumawa ng banner na Carlos, nandito papa mo, something instead of congrats nak, we are so proud of you, crystal clear na kung anong klase siyang tao. Truth, that stunt was so off. Instead of support for Carlos calling attention to himself instead with the woe is me, they're all about themselves. I doubt maghahabol yan kay Carlos kung walang incentives yon. Kahit wala pa nga if may gold medal pero walang incentives, doubt ngawa-ngawa sila ng ganito. They're just after the windfall. I'm glad Kaloy has Chloe and her family. Everyday lang na-prove sa atin na tama yung desisyon niya na umiwas muna. At this point, Kaloy is still fulfilling obligations with all his sponsors. Lilipad pa siya ng Japan to meet with Coach Mone and the JOC. Tapos, naghahanap pa sila ng bagong coach. At this rate, he'll be on the go until the end of the year. Kahit wala pang training, tapos talagang ayaw siyang tantanan ng pamilya niya. From nanay, lolo, lola, mga kapatid, and now pati tatay, ayaw talaga paawat. They won't give him room to breathe. Nakakagalit. Kung yun naman talaga ang katotohanan na ninakaw ng asawa niya yung pera ng anak niya basta walang consent or di alam ng may-ari ng pera ay nakaw na rin. Kahit kupit pa yan. Sana pagsabihan muna ng tatay yung asawa niya and marunong dapat siyang mag-weigh ng situation and siya ang gumawa muna ng paraan para ayusin niya ang buong pamilya niya. From parents to siblings, lahat sila ay toxic and narcissistic. Yes, including the younger Yulos boasting already some imaginative achievements like counting the chickens before the egg hatches. They should walk a mile in someone else's shoes. Specifically, Carlos. Try muna nilang maramdaman ang mapunta sa sitwasyon ng anak nila na paghahalataan kung anong environment ang meron sila talaga. Yung alam nila na porsigido yung anak to excel more and have more achievements tapos ang dami nilang distractions like wala na ba silang magawa sa mga buhay nila? Adult na yung tao, let him do what he wants. Whatever I said before defending his father, binabawi ko na po. Please forgive me for I didn't know na low-key gaslighter pala itong si Erpat. Puro guilt trip ang galawan, ngayon ko lang na-realize. Same na same sila ng Ermat ko, mahilig mang guilt trip. Dapat di din nagnakaw na mahiya yung nanay at the first place at dapat di nyo din kinunsinte yung ginawa ng nanay. Pare-parehas lang kayong toxic, manipulative at paawa. Nung una tinatago nyo pa pero siguro nung di na kayo nabigyan, lumabas din tunay na kulay nyo na hindi lang pala yung nanay ang masama, ang ugali kundi buong pamilya nyo.